So this is the front of the house. You can see the tiers of beautiful flowers and perennials all throughout. Lilacs, really beautiful. They all bloom at all different times of the year, so you always have flowers. Here's the home. There's a 2-car attached garage. And then there's also this, she calls it the barn. They call it the barn. And it is a garage with a door on the side. And on the back, there's another garage door. So should you use it as a garage, you could certainly get in both directions. The master gardener used it as a workshop. So there is electricity, there's water, and it's connected to the septic system. There's a potting shed over here. The potting shed also has water and electric to it, should you want to use it for that. And then these are all garden beds back here. The yard is really beautiful and quiet and serene, and it's 0.88 or 86 acres. And this is the back of the house, and we'll go in and take a look in a minute.